Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Today I'm going to be showing you a very easy recipe of a decoration and a filling in a lot of desserts and entremet, which is called the fluentine. These cookie crumbs are crispy. They add a different crunch to your dessert. You can use it for decoration or you can even have it on its own. So let's get started. To make the fluentine biscuit, we are going to be using melted butter. We are going to be using sugar. This is sugar which I have taken in the mixer and powdered it. So it's not icing sugar, it is sugar which I have powdered. We will be using egg white, flour, a little water to check the consistency of the batter, and a few drops of vanilla essence. I will take the melted butter in a bowl, and to this I will add the powdered sugar. The reason why I have powdered it is because in this batter I do not want to have any lumps of the sugar which has been undissolved. We want it to be powdered so that it mixes well, and when we bake it we do not get bits where there are caramelized darker parts. We will take this and mix this. Make sure to break all the lumps. Once this has happened, we will take the egg white and mix that well inside. Once we are mixing this, you see how it has come together nicely and it is smooth. To this, I will add the vanilla essence. And lastly, I will add the flour and mix this out. This is the consistency of the batter. I just need it slightly thinner, so we will just put in a very little amount of water, just very little. Yes, I want this smooth flowing batter. Right, the batter is ready. I have taken a silpat and I've kept it on the tray. On the silpat, I will put the batter, and using a palette knife, I will spread it till it is nice and thin. As you can see, I've made it as thin where I can see the pattern on the silpat mat. We have to just make sure that the thickness of the batter is the same throughout. Otherwise, while baking, you might get layers on the fluentine, which some might be dark and some might be light. So just make sure that the thickness is the same for the batter throughout the tray. Once we have rolled this, we will bake it in a heated oven at 200 degrees for 5 to 6 minutes till it is golden brown. The fluentines have been cooked. It's okay if the edges are a little darker. You can just cut them off with a knife. These ones, these have just cooled down, and as you can see, the crunch, the texture that we are getting, you can just crumble them and use them as a crunch element in your desserts. Only thing is, when you need to store them, always store them in an airtight container and in a cool, dry place. So you see how enjoy. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज़।